guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been really long. I made a video. I've been receiving so many comments, so many emails about making some of the videos, but I'm really sorry because I recently joined a new job, and then I was like super busy getting adjusted with the new environment and everything. But then yes, I am here with another new video from ArcGIS Online, because I've been always showing you guys how to use the ArcGIS desktop, but now it's like the world is changing and everything is going in cloud, and because of the data is getting really huge, big data and data science stepping in. So here we are with the new video of ArcGIS Online. And if you can see on my screen that ArcGIS Online has always been there, but it's just that the new improved features and new technologies have been making it more user-friendly, more interactive, more having visualization and stuff like that. So I want to just scroll through the video and then show you how we can work on this. You can see right here on the name, it says ArcGIS Online, a cloud-based GIS software. And yeah, so here we go. The part of this geospatial enables you to connect with people, see everything in graph, have more interactive style. That's how we work. So the main 5 features, if you look, is like making maps, sharing them in different formats, collaborating, like many people can work on them together, the analyze data, you can have the data with the maps as well, so you can do a side-by-side analysis and then work with your data, like put it up on cloud, get it through, share. So yeah, you can go to this link right here and then go around looking into all the capabilities they have. They have more detail if you just go around, click on this capability tab right up there. Building the maps, saying bring your own data. You can input your own self-made data or data if you get somewhere. It says it gives you live feed, then demographic data, environmental data. You can see the changing occurrence happening here. Building high quality map. Even ArcGIS Online gives you some of the map, creative base maps and stuff. You can see visualizations. These are really beautiful. You can see things happening right there. And now, because of the situation and the pandemic going around, people are using more and more of these interactive sessions to find out, okay, what is the situation in my area, right? Like, what is nearby? Are these things related? Where are these things growing out the most? Some of these questions get answered using this data. So without doing further ado, let's go and look at how these map looks. So usually you have a free trial and there are some pricing stuff, but if you just sign in into this ArcGIS, you're going to get it for free. So that's what I did. I came to log in through this, and here I am with my own login here, right here. So this is how the ArcGIS Online My Map looks here. So usually if you just go here into the home page, this is how it looks. And then you just go into this map and then see the front page pops up. And it gives some like a walkthrough of how things can be done. And it's really simple and easy, like how you click around using a UI-based software. That's how you're going to use this too. So right on the left, you can see these quick little buttons right here, which helps you to just move around this whole thing. And of course, this is for finding your own location, zooming in, zooming out, go to the home page. That's how it is, like full extent. If I click on this, it's going to take me to the full extent right now, what it's showing. If I want to zoom out furthermore, I'm going to see the whole world, globe, map, whatever. And then, yeah, let's go. So it says choose an area you want to really work on. So right now I'll choose the United States because that's where I am. So here is United States. And if you really want to zoom into like specific area, for example, I want to zoom into New York City. And then I'm like gonna really zoom in and look into the areas more specific. But then what I'm showing you guys now today, it's not that specific of a specific area. I'm looking for something like the whole country. So yeah, we'll keep on zooming and zooming out. So here we go. So you can see there's an option for base map. So we have multiple base maps here: imagery hybrid, street map, topography, street terrain label, and all those, whatever you want to use. You go ahead and use those maps. Like I clicked on Nova Maps and here it is. Wow, this looks like a sci-fi movie thing right here. And then you want to see a mid-century map when you see those travelers traveling with their handmade maps going around cities. So yeah, that's where it is. It's like way too classic. And then, okay, let's go around looking for some dark gray shade. and it's beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, there are different kind of maps you want to see. Then I would want to go and keep it in the topographic way, where how it should be. So let me just keep the way it was before. And then here you see this little add right here. So it's adding the content to your map. So here the map content are added in form of layers. So since I do not right now have any files or anything, so I'm going to go and browse this living atlas layer. This is something provided by ArcGIS for us to use their own databases. And you can see they have n number of things, like it says 3,380 layers. So let me look around. Let me start with age, like age group or something. Let me look if I get something. Population of Britain. I'm looking for something for United States. And let me do by country. So it's like for the whole world. Let me click on this. So usually you just click on this and it gives you like a little bit description. So this is like a 2015 map with 10 years of cohorts. Cohorts mean the range goes for 10 years broken down by male and female. And you can keep on changing those stuff. And it also tells where the data is coming from. You can directly add to your map from here, or click this little red plus sign right here, and you can add it. So let me go ahead and add it to my map. And yeah, let me just zoom out and see how it looks. Okay. And then I don't know what each color represents. I can see multiple shades of purple or violet, whatever you guys call it, but I want to know what these things are. So I'm going to go to the detail and look at the legend and see, okay, so these looks like ages. Okay, so from 40 to 20, I see this lightest color of pink, which is around, I see mostly in Africa. So yeah, we have young people there. Then 20 to 25, somewhere around, it's a little darker. I can see here in this part in Egypt. Then 25 to 30 is around, I guess, Mexico comes in this range. Yeah. And then Algeria, Libya, I can see India, I can see, I guess, Kazakhstan falls in that. Then from 30 to 40, I can see United States, Greenland, most of Russia. And then 40 to 52 is like Canada and all where people above 40 stays there. So let me show you guys this content, what this content does. So it shows, okay, meeting by age, and then you can see this show the legend, which we right now saw it. Then there's this table. It shows what all things do we have in the data along with the map. So it says country, the type of the country, it's a sovereign country or just a country. Then the name of the country, the long version name, short version name, population type, female population, male population, population from different age group, and here we go. Yeah, this all comes under this, and then you have this thing, which takes up to, okay, there are further divisions like 40, 50, and 80 plus, female and for male. So if you want, you can break your this thing into more detail. So for that, I'm gonna go here and look at the style by population. So let me see the total population or something, and let me use this. Okay, so I think the bigger the circle is, the total population goes away. So this is like a good symbol to show the population. And yeah, I'm quite cool with that. And let me hit OK and hit on done. And then let me show the map. So it looks like, okay, yeah, India and China has the most population. So there are like really big circles right there. I click on India and I see the population increasing, how it is. The median age is this. I see United States right here. I see China. I see Russia has a very little population, having the most land cover. So yeah, that's how it is. But then we want to make it more interactive. So how am I going to make it more interactive? So let's see, I did the population. Let me go back and make it according to age, because I'm going to bring like population separately. So let me go and do it by median of age median. And let me again select like some colors and symbols. It can be like a gradient color, whatever color I want to make it like green. Okay, that looks cool, that looks more greener. And then okay, I'll hit okay, and then let me go and add something else. So I did the age. Let me have a separate for population, not like divided by age group, but by gender, but let me do it by, yeah, let me just put US Census and add to map. And now I'm like only concentrating on United States. So yeah. So let me pull it by this way and let me go back to details again. And then there I can see US population right here. If I click on this and click on this again, I see population class, and let me select like this. Okay, those little circles says the populations, and the median age was like the color. And in the legend, you can see, okay, it shows by population, total population for this. Okay, I'm not sure why this became population. No, I don't want a population for this. I want a median age, and I want this to be select like this, and then done. And then this population comes here, and then I want to go here and select this population class, done. Both of them shows on top of each other. Yeah, so here when I change the transparency value to more opaque, then I can see the population right here, and then change the transparency of this one to more transparent, and I'll keep it 50% because 50% looks good to me. So yeah, now if I'll zoom out a little bit, I can see, okay, the population, I don't know if okay, it's hard to see if the population is gone, but then you can see those little dot, it talks about the population, and then this little color shows the age. So you can see the legend here, and then you can see the darker the color, the more age it is. Aged people stays there, and then you can just click around, and then it would pop up saying that, okay, this area is Garageville, and then it's in Pennsylvania, and its population and so and stuff like that. So yeah, it also gives you the capability of things getting popped up, and you can see the details and where do this come from. These come from the table. So that's how it is. Now what you want to do is I want to save this as like population by age map, and this is only for USA. I'm gonna do that and put like map, and then USA age, age, and put some tags, and like if you want to put a description, something like that. And I'm gonna save it in this folder, save the map. It's going to my content, and then I can share it. So here's a link. I can make it public so that people can directly, anybody can go and share, look at this, and then I can otherwise give this link. It all depends on. Or I want to create a web app, which I'll show you in the later how it works. So a video might be coming up soon, so I can like copy and send it to anyone, and then you can share it. That's how it is. And then if you want to print with legend, so it's going to come up in your next tab, and then yeah, this is how it's going to be. You can see all the details, the scales, the values, and then the map would pop up, and then you can go ahead and print. So maybe give it like a couple of minutes for it to pop up, and it does say where these map and where are we getting the data from, so you don't need to worry about the sources. And yeah, the internet alert. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so yeah, however you want. I am looking for mostly PA because that's where I stay, and yeah, you can see stuff right here. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to retrieve this, you can go back to like my content. Shoot. Yeah, you can see my map right here, and yeah, you can view it in a map viewer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys have any question, comment down below and let me know what you guys more want to see it, because I will be now more on schedule to make new videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.